Hey y'all, it's really me, June, and I just recorded a video before this one right here about how I keep the moisture or maintain the moisture while wearing protective style. So now I want to come on and share how I keep my hair looking fresh, this hair looking fresh. So I do this every other night, and this is a latch hook weave slash crochet weave slash crochet braid. So many names, but same technique. So I had this in for a week now, and I've been doing this maintenance routine every other day. So after I moisturize my hair underneath, I go in and take care of the hair before, I get ready for bed. So what I'm using is some cheap mousse I got from the Dollar Tree. Didn't want to spend a whole lot of money on this hair, and I'm going to be using some shears. And I just shake the mousse up, take a good glove, and just kind of rub it on the hair. And don't worry, because I know mousse can be drying on your hair. It's not getting on your natural hair. So I just rub it on. Rub it over here. And put some on the back. And as I'm rubbing, I'm just kind of pulling like that. Not running my fingers through it, but see, I'm just kind of smoothing and pulling. And what I'm doing is pulling out any shedding that wants to come out, because just like our hair, the shedding hair can get caught up, and that's what cause the mats and the tangles. I just go in and pull out any shedding. Alright. And then I go in and kind of lift the hair up to see if I see any extra frizz. If you see like a little bit of extra frizz going on right there, what I do is just take my scissors, push the good hair back out the way, and cut that right on off. Just like that. Now I just cut anything that just don't look, how it needs to look. Now frizz can be a great thing with this style, because it helps it look a little bit more natural, but you don't want too much frizz. As you see, it's not that frizzy, and it's only a week old. So I'm just gonna go in on this side. See that frizz right there? I'm all up in y'all faces because I'm looking in the mirror. So I think that's about it. Alright, so after I do that, and some people put the mousse on during the day, they're scared to go to sleep with the mousse at night, but it's not soaking wet. The next thing I do is get my scarf here, and this is like a bootleg locks up. This was a whole scarf, and it had like a little opening at the end, but it was hard to push my hair in there, so I just cut it open, at the end. I got it from Walmart. No, I'm not sure how much it was, but I got it from Walmart. So what I do is just put this over my head. Find the end. Alright. And then I just pull it on just like that. And this scarf has two little ties. So if you go look for it, it'll have like two tie things. And then I just tie it in the back. Just like that. And I'm good to go. Yep, so if you don't have one of these, you're going to put a bonnet on. Anything that's going to have all the hair pushed in and kind of, not tight, but kind of compact. You don't want to put anything that's too loose up there because it'll have the hair moving all around. My hair doesn't move at all. In the morning, I take this off, shake it out like I got to wash and go, fluff it up, and I'm good to go. Nothing else needed to do, all right? So I hope this video has been helpful. If you have any questions or anything, please leave them down below. I am planning on washing my hair next week. After my 2 weeks, like I'm going to do 2-week washes. So when it's time for me to wash my hair, I will come on and let you guys see how I'm going to shampoo. And yeah, so I'll talk to y'all later. All right, bye.